What's up, my future millionaires? I'm Justin, and welcome to my channel, where we talk about how to improve our wealth, health, and lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to be talking about investing for beginners and answering some of the most commonly asked questions, such as, at what age should I start investing? Where is the best place to invest my money? How much money do I need to start investing? And do I need to hire a professional to manage my investments? Whether you have yet to start building your investment portfolio or you are already a stock picking expert, you'll find the information in this video very useful. With that said, let's jump into it. One of the most commonly asked questions is, when should I start investing? And the truth is, right now. It is never too early to start investing. In fact, good investments grow over time. So the earlier you start investing, the larger your profits will be able to grow. Another commonly asked question is, where should I invest my money and how much money do I need to start? I'm going to list some of the best investing strategies in 2020 and explain the cost of each. Option 1, a high yield savings account, which requires anywhere from $0 to $100 to open, depending on the bank. Option 2, a certificate of deposit, or a CD, requiring anywhere between $0 and $1,000, also depending on the bank. Option 3, treasury securities, such as T-bills, T-notes, and T-bonds, requiring a minimum of $100 according to treasurydirect.gov. Option 4, corporate bond funds, requiring a minimum of $1,000 per unit. Option 5, total stock market index funds, potentially requiring a minimum of $3,000 depending on the fund. Option 6, individual stocks, costing anywhere between less than $1 all the way up to Berkshire Hathaway's $300,000 plus, which is the most expensive stock to date. Option 7, real estate investing, which requires $0 of your own money if you're able to get a lender, or, on average, anywhere between $15,000 to $100,000 of your own cash, which will cover the down payment. The price varies greatly depending on location and property type. All the investments listed have varying initial costs, risks, and potential returns, so make sure you do your due diligence before investing in any of them. Find one that fits your investing goals and budget and start today. The last thing I want to mention in this video is whether or not you need to hire a professional to manage your investments. Hiring a professional will give you a more hands-off approach, which can be beneficial for those who don't want to spend the time and effort. But for obvious reasons, this comes with a price. If you would rather self-manage and avoid the expense of a financial advisor, you can certainly learn the skills and do it yourself. At the end of the day, it all comes down to preference. And that wraps up today's video on investing for beginners and answering some of the most commonly asked questions. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Also, feel free to drop a comment. With that said, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and enjoy your best life.